Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best cash app instant transfer strategy. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want your cash app fund fast, the best strategy is to use instant transfer to your linked debit card only when you really need the money, since there is a small fee usually between 0.5 to 1.75%. Pair this with keeping your account topped up so you are never waiting for a standard transfer when an urgent payment comes up. Another smart move is to schedule regular standard transfer for routine expenses and only use instant cash out for emergencies or time-sensitive payment. That said, you save fees while still getting money when you need it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick cash app tips, and comment how you can plan to use instant transfers. And that's it.